Now question number 33. A card from a pack of 52 cards is lost. From the remaining cards of the pack, 2 cards are drawn and found to be both diamonds. Find the probability that the lost card being a diamond. Now, even with the event that lost card is a diamond, and E2 with the event lost card is not a diamond. Now, E be the event that 2 diamonds are drawn. 2 cards are drawn which are found to be both diamonds, means event that 2 diamonds cards are drawn. Now, what we have to find? If 2 cards are drawn which is diamond, it is given 2 cards are drawn is given, and we have to find the probability that the lost card being a diamond, means we have to find the probability of even. Probability of even if it is given that 2 diamonds cards are already drawn. Then by the formula of Bayes theorem, we have now probability of even that lost card is a diamond. Lost card is a single card, and a diamond card is lost or a diamond card is drawn. Both probability are same. There are 52 cards in which 1 diamond card is lost, then 13 diamond cards. It is 1/4, and probability of E2 that lost card is not diamond, means there are 39 cards which are not diamond, or we can simply get probability of 1 minus probability of even, then it is equal 3/4. Then the lost card is not a diamond. Probability of E2 is probability of even bar. Lost card is a diamond, means probability of happening of an event, and it is not happening of an event. It is simply calculated by subtracting 1/4 from 1. Probability of E by even. E by even means even is given. Event that last card is a diamond, means a diamond card has lost. Then there are 51 cards. Total number of cards is 51, and if we have to find of getting 2 diamond card, since 1 diamond card is already lost, then there are 12 diamond cards. 51 C2, selecting 2 cards out of 51, it is total number of cases, and favorable cases is getting a diamond card, getting 2 diamond cards. Since 1 diamond card is lost, then there are 12 diamond cards, and getting 2 diamond cards out of 12 is 12C2. Now probability of E by E2. If the lost card is not a diamond, then total number of cases, 1 card is lost, total number of cards is 51, and out of 51 we have to find 2 cards. 51C2 is total number of cases. Now probability of getting 2 diamond card means no diamond card is lost before, then there are total number of diamond card is 13, and getting 2 diamond card is 13C2. Now 12C2 by 51C2 is calculated. We have 12, 2, 10, 51, 2, 51 minus 49. Then it is equal 12, 11, 51, 50. Now calculated 13C2. We have 13, 2, 11 by 51, 2, 49. Then it is equal 13 into 12 by 51 into 50. Put these value in the given equation. We have probability of E1 by E is equal probability of E1, which is 1 by 4, probability of E by E1 12 by 11, 12 into 11, 51 into 50, plus 3 by 4 into E by E2 means 13 into 12 by 51 into 50. 1 by 51, 50 common cancel, also 1 by 4 cancel. Then we have 12 into 11, 12 by 4 into 51 into 50 are common from numerator and denominator. Then we have 11 common and cancel. 11 by 11 plus 3 into 12, which is 36. 3 into 13, 39. Now 11 by 39 means 50, and it is answer.